dollar store, and showing you the products that we got. First, we got this little, I don't know what that says.
It's some vinyl topper.
It's vinyl topper, and we're gonna use this as a carpet for a bedroom, and we're gonna use this for a wall, and this one for a wood floor. And then we're gonna use some wooden dowels for some stuff, like a bed. And we have these cute little small clothespins. I think that will be a really cute thing that we can create. And we have these chalkboard tags that we can hang up if we make like a dollar shop or something. We can just write on there. And then these little plates that might be a bit big, but I think it'll work great. So we got all these at the dollar store too. And we got these little plants also. My mom and my sister found a few of these. We have like 3, don't we?
No, we only got 2.
Oh yeah, only 2. So yeah, and then my sister found this cute little box that looks like a doll, like a clothing thing. You can open that and close it. We'll put some clothes in there, and there's these little balls that we can use for decorations. And then these stickers, I thought they were really cute. My mom picked them out from the dollar store. I think we can use that as pictures for wall hangings. We got this for a doll stand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we got this for a doll stand, but we couldn't find the wire to go, so.
And what else we got? We got flowers to make.
Yeah, we got flowers
for
the beads. If you're wondering what the beads are for, we're going to trim off some of these and glue into these little beads for the vase. The beads are the vase.
And what else do we get?
Oh yeah, we got poster board and
foam board.
Poster board and foam board.
And we got some felt.
We got felt in case we need it. We got a chalkboard marker. That's right?
Mm-hmm.
Chalkboard writer, so we can write on that.
I think that's it. Okay, well let's try.
Yeah. Oh, we deconstructed a shoebox. That's what I meant to say. Sorry.
And then.
Sometimes you gotta practice a couple times.
And then we cut.
And then we cut the wallpaper.
To fit.
To fit.
Okay.
Hey guys, we cut our window and framed it with black paper.
It's not exact measurements. I just winged it. And I cut it out. Okay, so far I've made the door like her. I've also put foam board to kind of border it. She also does the windows, but I don't want to do the windows. I think it's a little too much. I cut a hole in the top for the skylight like she did. I don't have the plastic for it, but I put it in there just in case. I also cut off the side flaps. I cut those off, and then for the bottom I'm going to cut this off because this is going to hold it closed, and then I'm going to cover it with foam board and our floor decor. So that's what I've done so far, and this has taken me hours, people. Like, her video is like 5 minutes long or 10 minutes long, and it's not that easy. So again, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is covering this with foam board and doing the flooring, putting the flooring on. So yeah, on to the next step. Okay, so the girls are getting ready to play with the room. I'm getting there. So, okay. We have finished the floor, which I love. the hardwood floor. I did it on that side and that side. We got a little mess up on the bottom of the thing, but I think we'll cover that with the dresser that we got at the dollar store. I had to tape the bottom closed because there was no way of holding it together when the house was together. So there's that. Oh, I forgot to make a doorknob for the door. So there's the hole for the lighting. I'm really loving the floor. Oh, I did the baseboards like she did on that side, but I didn't do the window like I said. I think it's a little much. So now what I'm working on, she makes a coat hanger with paper clips and a piece of popsicle stick. I don't have that, but we got these at the dollar store. So at first I was thinking we can use these, but these are really hard once they're on there to open. So then what I have is like these eyelet things.
I'll take the first one. Oh, is this mine?
You kind of puncture them through and then you spread them open. So what I did is I kind of bent one of them as a hook. I'm going to clip this off, and then I'm going to attach it to this, and that'll be the coat hook. So I will show you guys that next step. And this is my big fat mess from like the last 2 days. My whole entire table. Okay, let's move on. Okay, there's my welcome sign with the hangers for the clothes. So I used the little chalkboard things we got at the dollar store, and then I got also a chalk thing at the dollar store, and then like I showed you was the little things, and I snapped one of them off, and then I used one for the hook. And I'm gonna play with this box because my kids are acting fools. Okay, on to the next project. Okay, so my fingertips are burned to the bone. I made this little storage cube thing that she made. She doesn't show you how to make it, you're gonna have to wing it. So one of my cubes is a little different than the rest. They're a little jacked up. So now I'm gonna accessorize them, and she glues this to her thing, but I don't think I'm gonna glue it just in case the girls want to use it in a Barbie house or something. So I'm gonna embellish the pull-out drawers, and then I think I'm gonna make a couple of flower vases to put on top, and then I think we're just gonna decorate the walls with whatever sticker. Ooh, I still need to do a handle for my door. And seriously guys, I mean, this is like a big fat flippin' mess. So don't think this is gonna be like some easy project, cause it ain't. But the girls are liking it so far, and they're gonna go play in the pool so they can stay off their tablets, and I'm gonna finish this up. And then once I finish it up, I'm gonna present it to them and they can play with it. Okay, after like a day and a half of making this, we are finally done. So what I did is I kept one of these foam boards for the girls to kind of use as a base, or they can use it as a background. They had this Barbie bed couch thing, and I made them this a few days ago so they can have a blanket. It's like a blanket and a pillow, and then there's Barbie chilling. Okay, so I made the beads and the flowers, and I shoved it in there, glued it, and I glued it to that so it doesn't move. And then we got these. They were little trays we showed you in the beginning of the video, the little clear trays. And you can use them as, I don't know, you put them on the side here, maybe put the doll's shoes in there. I wish they fit in there, but they don't. But I used it to put these little balls that we also got at the dollar store. This was the girls, we just put that there. And then there's the inside when you walk in, it says family. And with the chalk welcome, and it's hanging their little purses or coats. You got your little shoe area. Got my door. And then I put home. I didn't do anything right here. I still have to find the clear plastic to put on there.
And here's our sunroof.
Yep, we made the sunroof, which we still need to get the plastic for.
Yeah.
And all these like sticker decor we got at the dollar store as well as a pack.
We got all this at the dollar store.
Pretty much almost everything at the dollar store. We got this at the dollar store. It's the little dresser.
And it actually opens.
I think it was for like little jewelry.
And clothing.
Well, I think for the dollar store it was for little jewels, but we used it as our clothing. And then we also got these at the dollar store. I got 2 of them. There's one right there.
They're fake plants.
Little fake plants. So there you go. So when you do your little videos or you play, and then this also is like a plasticky thing that you use for your drawers, but we used it as carpet, which I think it goes pretty well with everything. I'm pretty pleased, even though it was a pain in my butt to make. And you can see my cubes are a little weird, but you could just use, your whole thing calms down. You pull them out by the little strap in there and you could put stuff in there. Like I said, I didn't glue it to it because I think the girls can use it in like their actual other Barbie house. So there you go. If you want to make it, please plan out for a long day of frustration. But I'm really pleased how it come out, and hopefully the girls use it and make videos with it, because it took me a long time to make.
I'm going to make a video with it.
Alright, well I hope you guys like it, and I'm sure you will see it on Turkey Bird